Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So we'll be taking division of directed variables. Division of directed variables. So this is done using the rules of division of directed numbers. So if you check directed numbers and directed variables, they flow using the same rules. Just that we need to, in directed variables, we are now looking at where unknowns are being attached to the numbers. So let's see. So the rules we are looking at is plus divided by plus is plus, plus divided by minus is minus, minus divided by plus is minus, and then minus divided by minus is plus. So let's see solution. The first one is 24x divided by 3. 24x divided by 3. So this will be equal to 24x all over 3. Now this is the same thing as saying 24 times x all over 3. Remember, 24x means 24 times 3. So the numbers can divide themselves. 3 here, 1, and then 3 here to give us 8. So the down part has become 1. So this will give us 8 times 3, 8 times x. 8 times x, that will give us 8x all over 1, which is equal to 8x. We move to number 2. Solution was number 2. Minus 48y all over minus 12. And that will give us minus 48 times y all over minus 12. Now what do we have? The signs will divide. Minus divides minus. Minus divided by minus. That will cancel. Our answer will give us plus. And then 12 here, 1, 12 into 48, that will give us 4. So our answer will be equals to plus, because minus divided by minus is plus. So plus 4 times y, that will give us plus 4y, which is equal to 4y. Okay, now we have the next one, 36. 36 minus 36 divided by minus 4a. That's 4a. So this will give us minus 36 all over minus 4 times a. Minus cancels the minus. Minus divided by minus will give us plus. And then 4 here, 1. 4 into 36. This will give us 9. So our answer here will be 9. Of course, that will be plus 9 all over. This is 1a, 1a. So the a, 1a, 1 times a is a, as 1a means a. So this is our answer. This is equal to 9, equals to 9 all over a. 9 all over a. Please take note, the down part is a. The a is not coming up. It's still down here. It's in the denominator part. So this will give us 9 all over a. And then we have 25x 25x all over 5x. This will give us 25 times x all over 5 times x. Now what would this give us? 5 here, 1. 5 into 25, 5. And then x can cancel x into x1, x into x1. So what are we left with? We are left with 5 times 1 up there, 5 all over 1 times 1, that is equals to 1. And the final answer is equal to 5. Okay, and then we have the last, I believe this should be the last question before our activity. So this will give us 8x squared y all over 6xy. Excuse me. This will be equal to, Now we expand this. Remember what our x squared stands for? This will give us 8 times x squared means x times x and then times y. This is 8 times x is x squared. So all over 6 times x times y. So let's try to see how we can do some cancellations. 8 and 6, 2 can divide them. So 2 into 8, 4. 2 into 6, 3. We have x and x here 1, x here 1. Remember, everything can divide itself. And then we have one x here left, and then y here 1, y here 1. So what are we left with? 4 times 1, 4. 4 times x, that's 4x all over 3 times 1 times 1. That will give us 3. And this becomes our final answer, 4x all over 3. So that brings us to the end of directed variables. So you have activity here. Please do well to pause the video and carefully go through the activity questions one after the other. Thank you for taking this journey of directed variables, and thank you for taking it to the end. Please do well to like, to subscribe, and also share this amazing content to others. See you in the next class. Thank you.